Follow these steps to fix Instagram pin post not showing. Let's get started. First, update your Instagram app. To do that, launch your App Store, then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. You can try switching to a professional account. For that, launch your Instagram, navigate to the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now head over to the option, Tools and Controls. Click on Switch to Professional Account. Click on Next. What best describes you? Select it. Click on Switch to Professional Account. What type of professional are you? Creator or business? Select it and click on Next. Now you can complete these steps. Once you switch your account to the professional account, the feature might be available. Next up, what you have to do is clear cache for the Instagram. To do that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option General. Click on iPhone Storage. From the list of the apps, find Instagram. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Then click on Reinstall app. Next, try a different account. Check if the pin post option appears on another Instagram account. If it does, your main account may not have the feature. Likewise, next thing you want to do is completely delete Instagram from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Instagram app, select the option Remove app, click on Delete app and click on Delete. Then you can launch your app store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is contact Instagram support team. For that, launch your Instagram. Now navigate to the profile page. Click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down. Head over to the option Help. Click on Report your problem. Click on Report problem without shaking. Click on Don't include and continue. Now here you have to briefly explain about the issue that pin post option is not available in your Instagram account and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your issue pin post not showing on Instagram. This guide was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.